guys, welcome back to my channel. I would like to talk about cryptocurrency, but before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Let's start it. Blue Banks fires employees, halts funds withdrawal, city 32 million hack. Blue Bank's lawyer, Asramaya Kutumi, revealed that the attack resulted in the loss of 32 million, which many investors found hard to believe. Blue Banks, a Brazilian crypto lending platform, reportedly blocked all of its 22,000 users from withdrawing their funds following an alleged hack that drained 32 million or 160 million Brazilian real, while no details about the hack were made available. The company allegedly laid off most of its employees. Banks joins the growing list of crypto companies that failed to deliver about their promise of exorbitant yield returns this crypto winter. The Brazilian crypto lender promised up to 66% returns for users investing in cryptocurrencies via various in-house earning avenues. A report from the local news board portal Bitcoin highlighted that blue banks held all forms of withdrawals after falling victim to an extremely aggressive hack. According to Blue Bank's lawyer, Asramaya Kutumi, the attack resulted in the loss of 32 million, which investors found hard to believe, given the lack of clarity about the alleged hack. In the roughly translated words of an unnamed investor told Portal Bitcoin, I think there's a high probability of it being a scam because this whole hacker attack story seems like a lot of bullshit, something they invented. The lack of trust among investors stem from the fact that numerous crypto platforms that offer high yields have alleged similar scenarios in the past, wherein they end up halting funds withdrawal while hiding their incompetency in fulfilling the previously promised returns to the users. Considering the growing risks involved in high-yield service as stated above, crypto investors are now on the move to trying out lower risk crypto yields or safer strategies. Block Earner, an Australian fintech company, witnessed a surge of investors looking out for the less risky version of those returns. Speaking to Cointelegraph, the company's general manager Aparfa Siranilwala stated, given that the risks have gone up significantly for those returns, those guys have actually started coming and engaging with us because we look like the less riskier version of those double-digit returns products. As a result of this change in investor sentiment, crypto companies like Block Earner are required to simultaneously build institutional products owing to the growing interest in that space. How to convert your digital art into NFT and sell it. With a set of creative skills and a personal computer, you can convert your digital art into NFTs. What is an NFT? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. The adjective non-fungible is often used in economics to represent features such as uniqueness and non-interchangeability. In the crypto space, non-fungibility simply indicates that one item cannot be exchanged for another. Okay, maybe that's all for today. Thank you very much for your watching. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Sorry for all of my mistakes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.